Good morning, everyone. So, we'll continue with the chapter How the Dog Found Himself a Master. It's on page number 25. And how of the dog went to ask the lion to be his master. So, now, first the dog made his master was a wolf. Then he came to know that wolf is not that stronger, and he found bear. Then again he became the master. He wanted bear to become his master. Then later he found out that bear was also not the strongest on this earth. So he found that it was the lion who was very strong. Then he wanted lion to become his master. So he went off to the lion to be and asked him that will you be my master. The lion agreed to it, and the dog stayed with him and served him for a long time. So the dog went to the lion that will you be my master. The lion said yes, and then the dog served the lion for long time, means for a very long period of time. It was a good life, it was a very good life, and he had nothing to complain, means he had nothing to complain, no problem, nothing. As it is, lion is the king of the jungle, so why will he have any problem? Oh, for there was no stronger beast in the forest than the lion. See, there was no other beast or other animal in the forest who was as strong as the lion. So he was very happy to make lion as his master. And no one dared touch the dog or offend him in any way. So if dog has a master like lion, so nobody would take a risk in annoying the lion. So nobody wanted any problem, so nobody troubled the dog, nobody touched the dog, because dog's master was the lion. So nobody wanted any problem, nobody wanted to die, because lion would attack if you trouble any of his men, so any of his servant. But one day, the two of them were walking side by side along a path that ran, made bare cliff, and when all of a sudden the lion stopped. See, they were one day they were walking alongside the cliff. See, it's the edge of the sea. Okay, often it's all often on the edge of the seas, but they were walking there one day. He gave a great roar and struck the ground angrily. Suddenly, the lion, it gave a roar. Roar means when the lion is angry, no? So angry or scared, or he is not okay with the surroundings. So he generally roars. So he roared and struck the ground angrily with his paws. He struck the ground, means he with very force he put his paws on the ground, as if he was very angry. When the animal is angry, so they do behave like this, with such force that a hole formed there. It struck the ground with such a force that a hole there became a hole in the ground where he struck his paws. Then he began to back away very quietly. Means he began to come back. Okay, where he was going, no? So he began to come backwards. Okay, as if he was scared or there was some problem or something. So he began to back away. What is it, master? Is anything wrong? Asked the dog surprisingly. Dog was seeing what lion was doing, so he asked the lion that what's the matter? Everything is all right? Is anything wrong? I smell a man coming this way. What did the lion say? He said that I smell a man coming this way. The lion said, we'd better run for it or we'll be in trouble. He said that we'll run or we'll be in trouble. Why? Because lion was afraid of the man. Oh, well then, I'll say goodbye to you. Then what happened? He saw that lion was also scared of someone. So he said goodbye, because dog wanted a master who was the strongest on the earth. But lion was scared of the man. He was not willing to go forward, and he said the dog also that we should go from here, otherwise we'll be in trouble. So dog understood that lion is also not the strongest on the earth. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on the earth. What he said, that I want a master who is stronger than anyone on this earth. He wanted a master who is the strongest on the earth, and lion wasn't that. And off the dog went to join the man, and he stayed with him and served him faithfully. And since then, dog joined the man and he served him faithfully. Faithfully means dogs are always known for their loyalty. The dogs are very loyal towards their masters. This happened long, long ago, but to this day, the dog is man's most loyal servant and known no other master. Since then, dog has made only man as his master. He listens to them. He is loyal to man. Everybody loves dog, and dogs are always loyal to humans. They're always loyal to their master. So, since then, dog has always served man, and he's always been loyal to man, and since then he has found no other master. So in this it shows that on this earth human is the strongest creature. Okay, but we should pay respect to all the animals. We should not misuse our strength. We should not harm animals, and they will not harm us unless they feel any fear from us. So we should not enter into their territories unnecessarily, going into the jungle and troubling other animals. No. So we should always love animals, and we should pay respect to all the animals. They also have a right to live on this earth. God has created men and animals, so they also have the right to live on this earth. So we should always love them, and we should always take care of all the animals.